Hello, thanks for looking. What I'm selling are these half helmets. Now, don't be fooled by the cheaper imitations out there that fit and finish are. And I've seen toy helmets that have better fit and finish than some of the stuff out there that's selling for a lot less. This is a high quality half helmet, beanie helmet. This one's the Guns and Ammo helmet. As you can see, you've got the graphics of guns and bullet holes. These helmets are DOT approved. Great quality helmets. This visor you can snap off. So if you don't want to oil with the visor, you don't have to. Chin strap. You can clip it on here. Nothing too special, but it is a great looking helmet. Fit and finish is unsurpassed. Nice high gloss black. If you're interested, please take a look at the listing. And most items are shipped out same day or at the latest following day after the item is paid for. So this is the item for sale. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks for looking, and stay Wisconsin.